Features. Edit videos uploaded from your computer with built-in editor. This is an incredible feature which lets you edit any video that you upload locally from your PC. Just upload the video file from your PC into the editor, edit and create a new video from it. Features. GPT-4 Powered Vox Creator with Editor. Create professional voiceovers quickly and easily. Choose from a variety of human-like voices and preview and voice. Features. Create voiceover from the Vox generator and add it to videos. Create a script for Vox or upload your own. Turn it into a stunning voiceover and add it to your video, all inside the same tool in just a few minutes. Customize your voiceovers with powerful editing capabilities. Create voiceovers up to 6,000 characters per voiceover. Choose from multiple voices and languages. Speed controls, modulate voice, pitch, tone, volume and speed. Add music of your choice. VoiceOver can be used with any video editing software. Features. Includes 1 GB of video storage. Your videos will automatically be saved in your My Videos library. Our video compression is good, so files are small and this will hold a lot of videos. You can always download videos to your computer and delete them from your storage to free up space. AI Video Suite offers you the most lucrative GPT-4 powered business you can start in 2023. These services are selling like crazy on freelancing sites. This could be your opportunity to be the next ChatGPT millionaire. Grab the agency license today and take 30 minutes to sign up for as a service provider on Upwork, Fiverr, and others. You'll unlock a secondary income with a serious upside. Easily charge anything between $100 to $1,000 per project. Videos and voiceovers typically sell for hundreds of dollars. You can decide what to charge for one video, or perhaps a package of 10, 20, 30, 500, any number of videos or voiceovers. Imagine doing it for hundreds of clients. That could generate an income of 6 figures or more. As dramatic as it sounds, the payouts generated by doing work with AI Video Suite could transform the trajectory of your business and life. Since you can create videos for any niche, you can tap into clients from any niche. As a business, you can have several streams of income. Sell AI-generated whiteboard videos, business ads, product promos, informational videos, squeeze page videos, explainer and tutorial videos, and others to business owners. Sell unlimited attention-grabbing vertical videos for social media channels to brands, businesses, and influencers. Sell voiceover generation services. Sell lead generation services. Is AI Video Suite worth your time and investment? And should you use it? Well, we're a little biased, but here's a real observation. AI Video Suite works really, really well. It's a virtual workforce of GPT-4 powered apps to automate video creation and voiceover creation. By its very nature, this type of automation will enable your business to get more done and make more money while spending less money. Whether you're just using it in your own business, or if you're using it for client projects, it will absolutely be worth your small investment today. This is a unique opportunity, nothing like it currently exists on the market. Here's the real-life value of your investment. AI video creation software. Value $500 per month. VoiceOver, top-notch text-to-speech software. Value $197 per month. 100 plus vertical video templates. Value $97 per month. Video editing services. Value $200 per month. Total value, at least $1169/month. Or maybe thousands more, depending on where we're looking. But today, during our launch, you get everything for just one small payment. So there's no risk for you. Now you have 2 options. 1. Leave this page without taking action, and continue with your struggle. 2. Try the GPT-4 powered premium applications of AI Video Suite for 30 days completely risk-free. Leaving the page without even trying AI Video Suite could mean more wasted time. Perhaps years of spinning your wheels. Missed opportunities. Lost dreams. Financial struggle. Not living to your full potential. It means passing up the best opportunity you've come across lately. Capitalizing on the GPT-4 marketing revolution and setting yourself up for ongoing income. Do not miss this. Don't let the competition outshine you. Embrace AI Video Suite and unlock a world of limitless possibilities for your business. Your success story begins now, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So why wait? Sign up today and experience the power of AI-driven video marketing and content creation. Today is your chance, and for a limited time only, to secure your agency license to AI Video Suite. Choose your best option now. Personal use, $33.95. Personal use. AI Video Maker, create scripts instantly for videos. Convert scripts into whiteboard sales videos, informational videos, explainer, product promos, business ads, and squeeze page videos. Full HD vertical videos for Shorts, Stories, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Different resolutions and size tailor-made for Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. AI Shorts Vertical Video Maker. 100 plus editable vertical video marketing templates in 11 hot niches. Convert horizontal videos into vertical videos. Generate stunning videos from image URLs or local uploads. Use searchable images to create captivating videos. Create image slideshow video using keyword search. Create videos uploading your own pictures or slides. AI Video Editor, add thumbnails, speed, rotate, crop, trim, reverse, text alignment. Add background music, animation, voiceover, watermarks, etc. GPT-4 Powered Vox Creator with Editor. Create up to 6,000 characters per voiceover in multiple voices and languages and add to videos. Store up to 1 GB of videos per month. 100 Beginner friendly. AI Video Suite, personal use. Agency rights, $49.95. Set up a ChatGPT-powered profitable business on Fiverr and Upwork in 30 minutes. Sell GPT-4 powered whiteboard sales videos with voiceovers. Sell informational videos, explainer videos for online courses, products, services, etc. Sell product promos for your new products, business ads videos, and squeeze page videos. Sell vertical videos for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook or any other media. Sell GPT-powered voiceovers or creation services. AI Video Maker, create scripts instantly for videos. Convert scripts into whiteboard sales videos, informational videos, explainer, product promos, business ads, and squeeze page videos. Full HD vertical videos for Shorts, Stories, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Different resolutions and size tailor-made for Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. AI Shorts Vertical Video Maker. 100 plus editable vertical video marketing templates in 11 hot niches. Convert horizontal videos into vertical videos. Generate stunning videos from image URLs or local uploads. Use searchable images to create captivating videos. Create image slideshow video using keyword search. Create videos uploading your own pictures or slides. AI Video Editor, add thumbnails, speed, rotate, crop, trim, reverse, text alignment. Add background music, animation, voiceover, watermarks, etc. GPT-4 Powered Vox Creator with Editor. Create up to 6,000 characters per voiceover in multiple voices and languages and add to videos. Store up to 1 GB of videos per month. 100 Beginner friendly.